Good morning everyone, I am Vishakha Thakur. Welcome to 3.0 TV. Crypto TV has rebranded itself as 3.0 TV to provide an all-around update to viewers and help broaden the understanding of the evolving digital segments, including cryptocurrencies, blockchain projects, Metaverse, non-fungible tokens, cybersecurity, and several other related issues. So keep watching 3.0 TV for all things related to Web3 and including to keep abreast of all the ongoing happenings and transformation in the digital space. Here are the news headlines. Cryptocurrencies plunge after Fed Chair Powell stock, BTC at over 1 month low. Ethereum merge may hurt DeFi protocols, Stablecoins, Dapp radar says. Stablecoin issuers hold more US debt than Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway. Taliban cracks down on cryptos to collect more funds. Sushiswap cuts proposed salary for its CEO role after pushback. Binance and the city of Busan sign MOU in South Korea. Zipmex Requests Meeting with Thai SEC to discuss recovery plan. Coinbase pledges to evaluate forked Ethereum tokens in update to merge policy. And now the news in detail. Cryptocurrencies sank after Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell dashed hopes of any let-up in its aggressive rate hiking cycle with its hawkish comments. But coin plunged to an over 1 month low. US stocks plunged with Nasdaq and S&P 500 indices posting their biggest single-day losses since June 13. Wall Street's broader market S&P index dived 3.3% while the tech-heavy Nasdaq index fell 3.9% at close of trading. Fed Chair Powell, while speaking at the central bank's meeting in Wyoming, pointed to the monetary authority's resolve to stay ahead of the curve in stamping out inflationary pressures by wanting to continue with its restrictive policy stance for some time. This also meant that the central bank will ignore any temporary weakness in the US economy with the key objective of lowering inflation to the 2% level. Restoring price stability will take some time and requires using our tools forcefully to bring demand and supply into better balance, Powell said. Investors now expected the Fed to hike rates by 75 basis points for a third time in September. But coin was recently seen trading at $20,250, its lowest level since June 15, after tumbling over 6% in the past 24 hours. Ether, the second biggest cryptocurrency, traded around 1,500, down nearly 11% in a similar time span. All other major altcoins plunged too. Ethereum's upcoming merge could change the way decentralized finance protocols operate atop crypto's DeFi's finance chain, hurting values of stablecoins and lending pools, Dapp radar said in the last report. The study warned that any delays in Ethereum's transition to a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism known as the merge could slow transaction times or create service disruptions across DeFi protocols. Analysts at Dapp radar warned that the merge's negative effect on Ether market supply could affect DeFi liquidity pools even if the transition goes off without a hitch. Amid growing economic uncertainty, stablecoin issuers such as Tether, Circle, and others now hold more debt than Warren Buffett, the veteran billionaire's investing firm Berkshire Hathaway. According to JP Morgan, among the biggest Wall Street investment banking firms, stablecoin issuers hold $80 billion worth of short-term treasury bills compared to Berkshire Hathaway's $74 billion. These vast sums collect interest from the US government, allowing holders to earn a passive income. The Taliban are shutting down cryptocurrency operations and traders in Afghanistan, according to a report from Bloomberg. In recent operations, the Taliban government detained 13 people and shut down more than 20 crypto businesses as part of their effort to stop Afghans from avoiding paying them money. Terming cryptocurrencies as fraudulent money, the Taliban government wants to stamp out residents' use of alternative forms of payment amid sanctions imposed by the US on the government. The governance community of Sushiswap, the popular decentralized exchange, has voted to reduce the compensation for its chief executive position. The proposal would reduce the base salary from 800,000 to 500,000 USDC and the total amount of sushi allocated to its bonus incentives. An earlier proposal envisaged 800,000 USDC in base salary and 600,000 vested sushi tokens among additional incentives, which could see the payout climbing to as much as $10 million. Binance, the world's largest blockchain ecosystem, has signed an agreement with the South Korean city of Busan. Binance will provide infrastructure and technological support to the city of Busan as part of this MOU for the development of the city's blockchain ecosystem. Binance will also promote the Busan Digital Asset Exchange as part of this agreement. Furthermore, order book sharing will be another way for the two parties to collaborate. Binance also plans to develop and support Busan city's blockchain sector in a variety of ways. Busan's blockchain regulatory-free zone will be used to encourage blockchain-related businesses, investments, research, and initiatives. Simultaneously, Binance will offer specialized blockchain education and online resources through Binance Academy. Moreover, Binance will advance initiatives that promote societal well-being via Binance Charity, while also helping with the organization of Blockchain Week in Busan in 2022. Zipmex has requested meetings with the Thai Securities Exchange Commission and other regulators to discuss the company's recovery plan. The meeting will also be attended by the firm's potential investors, the identities of whom are unknown at this time. Zipmex has signed 3 memorandums of understanding in the last month and is in advanced stages talks with 2 investors. The funding round is reportedly expected to be worth around $40 million, valuing the company at $400 million. The company said it will provide further clarification on the matter in the middle of September. Currently, Zipmex has acquired a moratorium extension until December 2 by the Singapore High Court to resolve its liquidity issues. Coinbase pledged on August 26 to evaluate Ethereum forks that may emerge following the merge, reopening the door to listing competitor tokens that may emerge following the popular blockchain's imminent technological upgrade. The policy change demonstrates how exchanges are navigating Ethereum's long-delayed transition to a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism, which will change the way the decentralized finance hub operates. The decision came after the Binance, world's largest crypto exchange, also made room for forked tokens with plans to credit users' accounts with alternatives from the minority chain. It too plans to review those tokens against the exchange's listing policy before making them available to trade. That's all in the news today. This is me, Vishakha, signing off. And for more such updates, keep watching 3.0 TV.